The Toddler Tricycle with push handle is an incredibly versatile product that can be easily transformed into 5 different modes, catering to children from 18 months to 5 years old. Its tool-free assembly design allows parents to effortlessly switch between modes, making it convenient for on-the-go adjustments as your child grows. The parent-controlled steering with a 135-degree swivel push handlebar ensures that parents have control over the tricycle's direction and speed, enhancing safety during family outings. Thoughtful design elements include a 5-position height-adjustable push handlebar, accommodating parents of various heights and providing a comfortable experience. The removable seat backrest offers additional comfort and support for your toddler, making longer rides more enjoyable. This tricycle not only aids in developing your child's hand and foot coordination, but is also an excellent gift choice for both boys and girls, making it ideal for family adventures.